How to chat with a counselor as a walk-in. There are two ways to chat with a counselor as a walk-in. Here is the first way. First, visit our website at www.chaffey.edu. Then, click the My Chaffey link located on the top right corner of the page. From here, sign into your My Chaffey account by using your login credentials. From your My Chaffey portal, click the Canvas link located under the Launchpad on the left side of the website. Under your Canvas dashboard, click the Student Support Hub box in the middle of the page. You have now arrived at the Student Support Hub page. Scroll down and click the Online Counseling link located just beneath Community Advising. From here, you'll be able to select the counseling service that you prefer. From veteran counseling to EOPS counseling, we have it all here. When you're ready, click the Chat Now box directly beneath your preferred counseling service. You're on your way to the counseling lobby. From here, a pop-up window will ask you for the reason for your chat. Once you have selected the reason for your chat, click the OK button located at the bottom of the pop-up screen. And you are now in the counseling lobby screen. The next available counselor will help you from here. Now here is another way to chat with a counselor as a walk-in. First, visit the website chaffey.craniumcafe.com. Next, to log in with Canvas, click the red circular icon located beneath the Chaffey logo. Next, sign into your My Chaffey account with your login credentials. Cranium Cafe will request access to your account. Click Authorize located on the bottom to proceed. It may take several moments for Cranium Cafe to load if there is heavy user traffic. You have arrived at the Student Support Directory. Scroll down to view the list of counselors. Or, you can search for a specific name or department in the search bar located on the top right corner of the page. You can see who is available for a virtual walk-in by looking for a green dot marked as Online next to the counselor. Click Knock on Door to start your virtual walk-in. Once you have clicked the Knock on Door button, a chat window will open, allowing you to speak directly with the counselor. The counselor can chat with you here or invite you into a virtual cafe to communicate through video. Thank you for watching. You can access additional tutorial videos through the online toolkit on the Chaffey homepage.